Hello, dear students. A very good and a healthy morning to you all. Today, we are going to start with the literature part, that is first chapter, Max Words. This chapter is very interesting and related to hobbies. Okay, you must learn so many things from this chapter. So, hold the video carefully and try to grab all the important messages. Okay, first of all, let's start uh, with activity, and I want to just tell you that this story is based on about Max and his brother, those who have the hobby of the collection new things. Okay, that we are going to see in this chapter. Let's start. See, this activity, this might be your warm up activity, which is in your literature book. So, in this, you have to look at the pictures and write the names of the hobbies shown. जो पिक्चर में हॉबीज दिखाई हुई है वो आपको लिखना है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डू यू नो व्हाट इज हॉबी? Yes, hobby is, you can say, it's a one type of activity that you enjoy doing in your free time. Hobby might be your dancing or watching news, watching story, playing time. Okay, that you enjoy, that you can say hobby. Let's start with this chapter. Okay, I'll tell you about that. This story is about Max and his brother Carl and Benjamin. Carl collects coins and Benjamin collects stamps. Okay, they are both very proud of their collection and do not let Max join in or share the fun. So Max decides to collect words. See, Max और उसके ब्रदर्स कार्ल एंड बेंजिम. ओके, कार्ल क्या कलेक्ट करता है? कॉइन्स. और बेंजिम को उसकी हॉबी क्या है? टू कलेक्ट स्टैम्प्स. दोनों वेरी प्राउड, उसको अपने हॉबीज़ पे प्राउड है कि हमने इतना सारा कलेक्शन किया है. और मैक्स जो उसका ब्रदर है उसको इन्वॉल्व नहीं करते उसकी हॉबीज़ में. सो मैक्स डिसाइडेड टू कलेक्ट वर्ड्स. उसने क्या आइडिया दिखाई कि आई विल गोइंग टू कलेक्ट सो मैनी words like you can say hungry, alligator. He started to find out unique words, and he goes through and through to find out some words. Max keeps cutting words out of magazine. Max keeps cutting words out of magazines, writing words down that people have said to him and finding new words in the डिक्शनरी. मैक्स ने क्या किया? मैगज़ीन में, न्यूज़पेपर में, जो उसकी ओल्ड वन बुक्स है, स्टोरी बुक्स है, उसमें से उसने न्यू यूनिक वर्ड्स शी स्टार्टेड कटिंग. और जो वर्ड्स द पीपल दे से, जो उसको नहीं पता है, वो नोट डाउन करता है और डिक्शनरी में से उसका मीनिंग फाइंड आउट करता है. Soon he has an inevitable collection of words, but his brother still won't exchange a stamp or a coin for a word. That you can see how Max is making new words. See, this type of so many Max make. ओके, इतना सारा वर्ड्स बनाने के बाद भी उसके ब्रदर्स उसको उसके कलेक्शंस जैसे कि स्टैम्प और कॉइन्स के कलेक्शंस में उसको इन्वॉल्व नहीं करते थे. मैक्स नाउ बिगिन्स मेकिंग अप स्टोरीज यूजिंग हिज वर्ड्स इन डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन. नाउ ही स्टार्टेड, जो वर्ड्स उसने बनाए थे उसमें से उन्होंने क्या बनाया? मैक्स वाज ट्राइंग टू मेक स्टोरीज. वो क्या बना रहा था? स्टोरीज. एंड फाइनली उसके कितने सारे वर्ड्स बन गए. सी दैट यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, राइट. मैक्स कलेक्शन ग्रू टू बिग फॉर हिज डेस्क, so he spread out his words on the floor. He separated them into neat piles. उसकी डेस्क पूरी भर गई तो उसने क्या किया? उसने अपने वर्ड्स यहाँ पे फ्लोर पे स्प्रेड किए. And when Benjamin and Carl, Mac's brother, they also put their collection on the floor, but that makes very difference. The collection of Max was more rather than his brothers Max and Carl and Benjamin. Okay, and then uh, finally finally he is able to convince his brothers to part with a stamp and a coin each and in exchange for a story. फिर फाइनली उसने अपने ब्रदर्स को कन्विंस किया कि विल एक्सचेंज द स्टोरी एंड द कॉइन्स. Benjamin Green, and she wants few more words like she made tried to make sentences like the crocodile opened its mouth wide, and Carl wanted the crocodile to eat the worm, and in this way they also shared their stories and sentences, and they they also exchange their stamp and coin. Okay, hope you understand this story, and you have to write the hard words 3 times in your notebook that I'll send the photo. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. If you have any if you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.